When you need to cut plywood and other large sheets down to size, you'll want a reliable way to make long, straight cuts. An easy way to do this is with a saw guide. This guide is the Kreg Rip Cut. It has a long guide that follows the edge of your sheet. You can just lock in the cutting width you want and then guide the saw along to make your cut. As you push the saw forward with your dominant hand, use your other hand to hold the edge guide against the sheet. That positions the saw so you don't have to worry about trying to follow a cut line. As you can see, with the Rip Cut you get a nice straight cut and great results easily. Also, a good tip is to cut with the back face of the plywood up and the good face down. That way, if you get any splintering along the edge at all, it will be in the back face rather than on the front. Another type of saw guide is a track, like this Kreg Accu-Cut. With this type of guide, the track guides your saw as your saw rides on top. Cutting's almost effortless. Just use some downward pressure as you push the saw along. The sled that holds the saw follows the track exactly as you cut, while guide strips under the track hold it in place. With a track guide like the Accu-Cut, you get a nice straight cut and a very clean edge. You'll notice that the cutoff piece didn't fall or move after it was cut. That's because we recommend cutting sheets on 2-inch thick rigid foam insulation. It supports the whole sheet and makes cutting plywood a lot easier and safer.